We're taught to look at swarms of insects or flocks of birds and see a single, highly synchronized brain. It's an idea biologists call the superorganism, thousands of tiny individuals operating in total lockstep. When fire ants face a flood, they link jaws to each other's legs to form massive, buoyant rafts, surviving on the water surface for weeks. They can even suspend themselves in midair to build living bridges, creating a direct path for the colony to attack a wasp nest. To test the limits of this intelligence, a YouTube creator named Terragreen gathered a colony of 1,000 ants and placed them into a gauntlet of custom-built alien obstacles. Stripping a colony out of the wilderness and forcing it into puzzles it has never encountered in nature reveals the truth about the hive mind, whether it can actually adapt or if it simply breaks down. The gauntlet consisted of 3 traps designed to confuse them: a narrow tightrope suspended over a slippery fluon-lined pit, a locked paper bank vault filled with seeds, and a floor made entirely of industrial sticky tape. Conventional wisdom suggests the ants would analyze the problems and form a coordinated transport relay to safely move the food across the hazards. Instead, the swarm devolves into absolute chaos. They crowd the edge of the platform and blindly march off the ledge, tumbling over each other straight into the pit below. At the paper bank vault, the breakdown continues. Despite the scent of sugar water, the ants fail to coordinate a breach of the paper walls, instead becoming hopelessly distracted as they mindlessly lick the exterior. This alien scenario reveals a total lack of coordination. There is no master plan. Understanding how this colony survives requires looking past the collective and toward the individual. Collective brute force remains highly effective for the colony as long as the problem relies on millions of years of biological programming. In their standard dirt enclosure, these ants acted like 1,000 miniature drills, rapidly excavating an intricate tunnel system and securing their food in just 8 hours. While digging dirt is an ingrained instinct, the tightrope of doom requires a mechanical solution the ants don't inherently possess, balancing a heavy, awkward object across a precarious, slippery thread. On the tightrope, they simply jam up. Ants end up uselessly hanging off each other's legs, letting their peers slip into the void, while failing to organize a strategy for the heavy insect legs waiting on the other side. Biological programming provides massive power on familiar terrain, but the hive mind lacks the localized intelligence to pivot and solve a novel puzzle. Despite the lack of teamwork, the colony ultimately beats the impossible gauntlet through a series of isolated events. Out of hundreds of failing insects on the tightrope, one single worker completely ignores the chaotic swarm. It finds a smaller piece of food it can carry by itself and miraculously balances across the entire bridge alone. At the vault, while the hive mind stays fixated on the sugar outside, one random worker happens to stumble across a tiny, water-warped hole in the paper, crawling inside to secure the seeds solo. On the sticky floor, one solitary ant ignores the tools and simply brute forces its way across the adhesive tape, using sheer anomalous leg strength to pull itself free. This diagram tracks 1,000 dots moving in random, chaotic paths. With this many variables, pure mathematics dictates that at least one outlier will accidentally bump into the success zone. This is stochastic problem solving. Out of 1,000 random, chaotic attempts at an obstacle, statistical probability guarantees that one outlier will eventually stumble into success. Swarm intelligence is rarely a flawless master plan. It functions as a brutal numbers game. Look at this chart comparing resource loss to success rates. The colony survives through extreme expendability, leaning on relentless trial and error. Hundreds of individual failures are mathematically negligible. The one statistical anomaly that finally succeeds paves the way for the rest. Human problem-solving prioritizes the survival of the individual, requiring deliberate coordination. Ants bypass this need for coordination by simply overwhelming a problem with sheer volume. The evolutionary strength of the swarm lies in its messy, chaotic persistence. Precision is unnecessary when you have enough numbers to let probability secure the win.